started. Sawubona. Yaphile. Ngiyakhipha. It's fine. Oh, yeah, what? Keep it. Okay. Hello viewers. Again. We are on a community outreach program today. Sibhekene nemfundo and books. So today sinomuntu ozosichaza ukuthi ubani uphumaphi and uzengani. Siyabonga. Sawubona. Ngiyaphila. Yebo. Ukhuluma nobani?
Igama lami nguSanele Hlatshwayo. Ngokuhlala endaweni yakwamachibisi. Kodwa-ke ngokutohoza-ke place abekhetha uMsunduzi Library.
Oh, okay. Umsunduzi Library ilokhunjana ile ela edrobheni.
Oh, really? Umsunduzi Library, which is inside, it's a main one.
Okay.
Yeah, but it got its own name, which is Basic.
Oh.
Yes. The one that I come from, it's a small branch.
Okay.
Yes, but it's under the main one, which is here in town.
Okay.
So the one that I come from, it's got its own name as well, which is Ashdown, and then other branches as well, they have their own names.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So when you put my Ashdown Library. Okay. Mark, before siyemsebenzini wakho, kunjani uhlala eMaritzburg? Mangathi umuntu nje, lalela wazi uzohlala eMaritzburg. Uzwe kunjani nje uhlala eMaritzburg?
Yeah, well, it's an interesting place. You know, you get quite different environments. You know, if you are a quiet person that is interested in studying, maybe, you know, there's also such environments within the circulation in Maritzburg. If you are an energetic person, you know, there is as well such places. So it is an interesting place, you know, to stay in because it's got different environments.
Okay. Oh, all right. So niyazizwela-ke yonke inhlobo yapent iyamkelekile eMaritzburg and surroundings. Thiwa nje bengabe ukuthi energetic ayinazosithola uvuxoza somewhere. Ngiyakutshela wena. And bengabe ukuthi futhi umuntu othulelayo othanda indawo quiet and nice uzoyithola nayo. As well as imfundo. As you all know, we have EUKZN, we have EDUT, we have AMA-FETs, and a whole lot, national and international. So, asichazeleke Ashdown yini lento eniyenza lapha Ashdown?
What we are currently doing, it's one of our every year we do different projects or programs. So it's one of our zama projects aqhubekayo eswenza nyaka wonke, but it's a continuous one, you know. It's not one of those which we actually yes. So basically we actually help in assisting students, but not quite only students, because we are in Library, so our main focus is to save the community.
Oh, okay.
Yes. But we normally get all different type of people, students, the community as well, even elder people, that actually don't know how to apply NSFAS.
Oh, nisiza ngo-NSFAS.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So ama-registration asevuliwe?
Yes, currently it's open. It was actually reopened after the first closing date, but there's a new closing date now, which is on the 7th of January. Yeah, so there's been another extension. Yeah, so that's it. For those who were not able to apply or didn't get a chance to apply, so they extended a date in order for everyone to be able to apply, so that everyone will get an opportunity to go abroad and study further.
Okay, no, that's perfect. Niyazwake, ngisacela ukuthi nisukume nihambe ne-library, ningathi usizwa nePitori nangu uSanele uyasho manje ukuthi hambani e-Ashdown nifike nirejiste nina baseduze ne-Ashdown ngoba nasethawini bayakwenza.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Basically what we do, we actually most of our program they're actually linked with the main library in town.
Okay.
So if you are actually too far from Ashdown, you can actually find yourself get assisted at the main library. But what we actually focus on is to check the community profiling. Yes, of that community. So we check what is it that the community actually needs.
Oh, and focus mostly on the needs of the community. No, but that's important because now you can't just start a project where else the community don't need. You understand? No. Yes, wangala ngempela. So now, uphathani mozo register?
Well, I thank you very much for asking such a question, because most of the cases we find ourselves having difficulties or challenges that a person comes and he or she doesn't not have information of what to bring, and then he or she has to go back and waste money, to collect or things. So we always make sure that when we do such program, we make posters in advance, and then in those posters we actually include to what a person actually can bring. So you bring your ID if you are a first time applicant. So you bring your ID, you bring your proof of payment, not yourself, because maybe you still a student, but for the guidance or for the parents proof of payment. Yeah, so in that category, they are actually different documents, because you find that a person is actually yes. So you found that a person akasebenzi umzali, leyo muntu ke loyo ke wathi into adinga ukuthi ayenze ukuthi amele alethi incwadi yase Department of Labor. Yes, so lapha ka Department of Labor bayakwenzela incwadi usho ukuthi no ngumzali ngifuna ukuthi ngiyo-applyele ingane yami NSFAS, and then bayakwenzela incwadi, and then uphatha le ncwadi leyo ne-ID yengane ozoyi-applyela uma ngabe kuwumzali. But uma ngabe kuwumzali holy child, noma unogogo wena ngani into oyiphathayo uphatha i-ID yakho ne-payment yagogo yegrant kuphela.
Futhi uzoyenza i-bank statement.
Well, even kuthiwa you can even go to islip lesimanga bekhona ukuthi ugogo ehola eposini. Yeah, he or she can bring leso slip leso. Ne-bank statement it's actually
kulaba bathe abahola ebank.
Yes.
Okay. Imake manje ke mengakuthi umuntu usemdala ke usewuyena omdala ofuna ukukhunjalo ukubhalisela lapha yana NASFAS wenza njani?
Well, it's very easy for an elderly because if she's on social grant, maybe like child support grant.
Yes.
So isn't it ukuthi ayiphathe i-ID yakhe proof yokuthi uhola i-social grant. Yeah. So uma ukuthi akasebenzi so udingakala ukuthi aphathe i-ID yakhe bese eyothatha incwadi inyanga leyo as a proof yokuthi you are unemployed.
Ayike niyezwa-ke bakwethu uyichaze yachaziseka angazi ke kumuntu ongacacisekanga lapho-ke kodwa no it's a great initiative eyenziwa yi-NASFAS ne-library ama-libraries in general. So manje-ke mase ni-aplayile kuthatha isikhathi esingakanani i-respond yakhona?
Well, it's depend.
Okay.
So it's depending ukuthi at first ukuthi did you submitted relevant documents.
Okay.
You know, because at first you must open a profile yakho. So once wavula i-profile yakho and then NASFAS usuke usukhona ukuthi uxhumane nawe manje direct. You know, it's either through emails or it's either through cell phone. But if there are documents that are missing, so they are able to contact you with spanbani kune-document enje eshotile so besicela ukuthi usimelele yona. So i-communication yakho nabisikilweni. But-ke engifisa ukuthi ngidlule kona okubaluleke engicabanga ukuthi kubaluleke kakhulu engabe senze iphutha ukuthi esingakukhulumanga ukuthi we often find ama-challenges because you find that students and even elderly people in society they actually apply to NASFAS. How so? Using this SIM card, you know this SIM card we tend to get from the streets. Yes, you know there are those ladies that are on the streets which are always said mahala. So they often mistake that people do. They apply using those SIM cards. So you found that a person actually applied last year using that SIM card. And then when NASFAS reply, it's replied this year. And then you found that that person has actually lost his phone or that SIM card. So when he or she goes to have a SIM swap, then they're telling me that we are unable to assist you in terms of doing your SIM swap because this is a mahala SIM card. So then this is a big problem. That's how we always come across, as people who assist the community, because you found that a person now the NASFAS, the NASFAS offices, they are still communicating with her through that number. But they are unable to
get hold.
Yes. Well, maybe, or maybe the person has actually lost the SIM card.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, or his phone. And then when they came to us, and then we'll ask them a simple thing: have you ever applied before?
Yes.
And then a person will lie and say, no, I've never. Then we'll ask you again, are you sure? And then we say, yeah. And then the moment we punch your ID,
it appears.
It appears everything. And then if you actually trying to proceed with your application, yes, in order to finish, so they will tell you the NASFAS, there's no, that person has an existing profile. We are communicating with her through the number that she or she gave us. You see? So now that is a big issue, and I can tell you that it's a serious issue because there was a learner which actually called me the day before yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. And then she was speaking about this thing that unfortunately she was honest that she used a SIM card to apply, so now it's not. So she was supposed to study this year, but she she's been staying at home because you see. So it's a very serious thing that people must actually learn to not apply using this SIM card, because if they get lost, they are unable. NASFAS is unable to reach you. So then, how then do we do in order to solve that? So it's a very difficult process because there are two options. It's either you email or you call. So if you email, probably you can email this month. They will answer you after 5 months or 6 months. Because there's a long queue there. Yes. I'm not actually speaking on behalf of the NASFAS, but these are true challenges.
Facts, yes.
So the second option is to call. Even calling, it can actually ring the entire day. Until you try the next day, until you so you found that a person is actually mhlambe usezama umisa i-deadline ye-application.
Yes. Social work plan.
Yes. And then usehlangana nalama challenges lawo. Yabo. And then omunye agcine engakwazanga ukuthi afunde ekuloyo nyaka njengalolu sisi lo abengikhuluma ngaye nje obekade ngifonela. And then uthola ukuthi umuntu ugcina emise ithuba lakhe unyaka wonke. Yabo. Ngezinto ezincane nje esingayinaki esabantu.
Okay. No, hayi ngeke ithi ngempela ifanele ukuthi abantu bayilungise indaba ukuthi basebenzise ama-SIM card angarechiwe. Ureka is there for a reason, and uhulumeni wawufaka for a reason, for izathu ey'fana njengalezi ukuthi ukwazi ukwenza i-SIM card, i-SIM swap when you lost it. Just imagine losing a whole year of studying. Uhlale phansi-ke manje, you increase unemployment, you can increase, yazi ungena ey'nkingeni eziningi just because of a small problem, a small regulation that you were supposed to follow as a South African citizen. So ngiyacela njenganokucela futhi ukuthi let's try to follow ama-regulations abekiwe in the country, because kuhamba kube ama-riddles at the end of the day mengakuthi awuwalandeli. Alright. So manje sek-aplayiwe, ulindeke leyo process leyo ke. What benefits do you get from ilokhunja for NASFAS?
Well, if you actually submitted a document, a valid.
Yes.
So NSFAS will then be able to fund you. So ke ukufunda kanjani ke NSFAS? So ukufunda in terms of indawo yokuhlala kule uma ngabe usuthathiwe kuma-higher institution.
Yeah.
So ukufunda indawo yokuhlala uphinde futhi ukufunde in terms of iy'fundo zakho, i-school fees. So uphinde futhi ufunde ngisho even i-food allowance. So ukuthi okay now isesikuxhasileke manje ukuthi uhambe ufunda-ke so uzodlala na. So ke abakeke lelo ukuthi ebakekelele nje ukuthi uzoyibonela. So they actually give you i-food allowance. Ukuthi okay ke manje hamba-ke manje ke nayo indawo yokuhlala siyikhokhela, nazi iy'fundo siyikhokhela, nayi i-food allowance. So ke hamba-ke manje uyofunda. So ke you find that ukuthi manje umfundi singasho nje ukuthi mostly it's ulo NSFAS ufunda ngisho ama-disability.
Okay.
Yeah. And
on top of all the funding,
yes,
as a disabled person, you get an extra.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. In a manner that you can, uma ngabe ukuthi a person is disabled in terms of mhlambe physical.
Yeah.
NSFAS it's able ukuthi akhokhele umuntu who will assist you.
Yeah.
Aphinde futhi amkhokhele enendawo yokuhlala.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So we do encourage people who are living with disability to actually do apply because NSFAS is actually able to assist them.
Okay. No, bengakwazi ke lokho. Amalokhunjana ayakwazi ukuthi NSFAS yakwazi ukuthi asise in terms of mengakuthi une-disability and so forth, so that uzothola all the assistance you need while you are studying. Alright, manje ke okay, no, that sounds perfect. Thanks to NSFAS for assisting, and let's not misuse imali ka-NSFAS. Do get ama-challenges anjani ukuthola ukuthi ama-students or abantu abaqualify misuse imali ka-NSFAS?
Well, I think umbuzo loyo ubaluleke kakhulu kwi-society yethu, especially as black people. You know, because you found that a person applied for NSFAS, and then ngenhlanhla yakhe awuthole kalula nje eqala nje apply, and then you find that ukuthi there is a lack of understanding ukubaluleka kwa-NSFAS, because omunye mhlawumbe usezame kwaze kwaminyaka emithathu ezam-aplya u-NSFAS but kungaphumeleli.
Imake before isizathu salokho kusiyayikhokho yini?
Well, singasho ukuthi ezinye zazo ilezi ebesikhuluma ngazo in terms of ama-SIM card, okunye kungaba ngithola ukuthi mhlawumbe ama-document mhlawumbe obesabisa.
So kodwa mengabe ukuthi kuphelele ayikho i-delay engako?
No, unfortunately i-delay ayibi khona if usubmit ama-details ama-document nje akho ngesikhathi futhi kuyilawa adingakalayo, so kuyaye kusheshe. But-ke phela isensi sazi ukuthi abantu aba-aplayayo sebebaningi yabo, so maybe singasho ukuthi ezinye zama-delay ilezo zinto ukuthi mhlawumbe i-process isuke isayi. Well, to kulo mbuzo wakho ukuthi ukubaluleka, you know ukuthi ama-student sometimes anokuthi athi novele NSFAS uxhaso lahulumeni ilamali, and then you find that ukuthi ayayimisiza kanjani na uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe i-student siya underperform. Yeah, mhlawumbe i-student siya underperforma in terms of academic. Well-ke ziningi-ke izathu ezenza ukuthi i-students underperform. Esinye is because of mhlawumbe pressure at home, esinye is because of financial issues, esinye it's because of some stress esisuke esidila nazo ngaleso sikhathi. Esinye-ke kusuke kuyilento ukuthi ukunga-understand ukubaluleka kwa-NSFAS kungisuse nje, just like that. Yabo, ukhohlwe ukuthi phela as much as kuwuxhaso lahulumeni, but end of the day phela ukuze akwazi ukuthi nomunye umfundi oze emva kwakhe aqhubeke afunde, kumele ukuthi uma usuqedile ukusebenzisa abese uthola itoho ukwazi ukuthi ukhokhe unikeze omunye umfundi olandela kwathuthuka ukuthi naye azazi ukuthi
yenza iwasho ipoint elibalulekile-ke manje-ke mengabe uthi ungixhasa as loan noma ungixhasa as funding sponsor mhlawumbe.
Well, u-NSFAS unama-category. So uma uqala at first ukuxhasa as a loan.
Okay.
But if you perform well, you know, uyashintsha transfer that loan to a bursary. So if you perform academically excelling, so if you excelling academically, so it's able to transfer that loan to a bursary. But it's a loan, but it's not just like any other loan, but it's a loan that you are able to pay when you are employed. So there's no pressure that now that you have
interest.
Yes.
Oh, okay. No, yes, wakala. No, angithi ngibonge kakhulu for isikhathi sakho, and this was a very informative information session, and ngiyathemba ukuthi abantu basekhaya bazo understand, everyone will understand the importance of registering for NSFAS and inkinga abahlangana nazo as abantu, and then no izinto ongazi-avoid going forward in terms of NSFAS. Ngibonge kakhulu Sanele, and have a good day. Okay, this is your girl Ubanungile Mkhize, Maritzburg podcast learner. It focuses in Maritzburg and surrounding areas. We focusing education, politics, entertainment, tourism, sports, and everything else that falls under that. So thank you so much for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.